Tracksuits and red wine, movies for two. We'll take off our phones and we'll turn off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo, though I always lose. Cause you watch the TV while I'm watching you. There's not many people I'd honestly say I don't mind listening to. But there's nothing like doing nothing.
Hi, good morning! Now, it's day 2. So, ngayon, mag-walk-walk kami. Dito na kami sa house nila Ate Ab. Nice! Say hi to the vlog! Hi! Yan ang OOTD ko. Diba? Kapal ng muka. Day 2. Magtatapon kaming basura at maglalaba. Ito na si Mama. Say hi. Mama, gay ka na. Vlog. Yan.
Hindi mo nahawakan yun. Sensor lang siya.
Lakad-lakad lang kami dito, tingin-tingin sa mga paligid, ng mga tinda. Yung iba, wala silang translation, kaya mas lalong mahirap. Hindi ko di ako naririnig, kailangan ko na ng mic. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung ano na din DJI. Ay, so ito Samgyup. Ay, hindi, charot. Kala ko Samgyup.
Labu. Laundry day.
Anong number yun niya? Baliwan. Ito. Ayan.
Tapos, back.
Ito na yun.
Clotheslines sway in morning breeze. Neighbors greet with how was your week?
Buckets click, water spills, sunlight dancing, quiet thrills.
Every step a small delight. City hums from left to right.
Laundry day, simple scenes, life's alive in betweens. Steam and laughter, calls and chores.
Mga ganun lang pala.
Every moment opens doors.
Opens doors.
Children chasing, bouncing balls. Dogs barking, echoes through walls.
Bicycles ride past the square.
Fresh air blending everywhere.
Kuya Ian naman.
Kaya na?
Let's eat.